back. It's your boy, Self-Made Street Cars, you know what I'm saying? We've been gone for a little minute. We've been busy. It's been about 2-3 weeks, you know what I'm saying? We've been doing personal shit. But, you know, we back. We got some more footage we about to drop today. We on our way over here to Austin Pro Max right now, you know what I'm saying? We about to go look at this Mustang, man. It's been, like I said, it's been a couple weeks. We've been busy. They probably ain't got no progress, but we still gonna check it out. And after that, we're gonna go check out the hood that we got for that thing, you feel me? Oh yeah, I know y'all seen it. Well, you might have seen the sneak peek, but we got some shit coming. We're gonna go see that today too. And then, you know what I'm saying? We just gonna go with the flow. See what else come with it. Right now, you already know we in that 77 thing though, yeah. If it look like we in that old school, yeah. We in that 77, you know what I'm saying? We switch it up all day. We're about to pull up on Austin Pro Max right now. Yeah, everything hit. Stop playing. Pick your poison around here. You feel me? Self-made street cars. Yeah. You don't see that. Who does that? Self-made street cars. We put screens in everything. Like that.
Just added these in too. With the door speakers.
Yes, sir.
You can't really see them. Now you can.
Look at my boy go right there. Look at him. We pulling up
just
on you.
In time.
Yeah, we pulling up on you. I'm about to see what that Mustang here for. Stop playing with me, boy. Let's see what you talking about. Mr. Leave it running. We gonna leave that thing running.
I'll throw in my introduction really quick. By the way, I'm the one behind the camera. You can follow me on Instagram, Rainy Subi. We're gonna take a little sneak peek at the Mustang. We got a couple other things going here.
Hey. He said he did a little something. Let's go see what he did. That's right on time. Like, you have to go see. Uh-oh. Yee! Look at the headers. Stop playing with them. All nice and wrapped up. Yeah. We getting all the airflow. Again, this is not your regular 302. It's ported. You hear me? This ain't the cheap one. It's not the little one. It's the big one. The hood ain't gonna cost? I know, we got another hood though. We already got another hood. We about to go look at that right after this.
For people, but once we did it, we're like, man, that actually looks really good.
Nah, it looks good as fuck.
He ended up doing his roof on his
Fresh lines.
Oh yeah. You got more of it?
Interesting one. It's funny, I actually just saw a Jeep yesterday with this on the hood.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it actually looked really good. I should have grabbed the rest from home. This is the rest of it. It's all at home. Yeah, I didn't even think about it.
That thing's shining, boy. That thing's gonna stand out. I just hope it's enough clearance, man. It's gonna...
Clearance?
Yeah. If it ain't enough clearance, this whole little piece is gonna have to stay off. We got the hood, and that motherfucker look damn good. God damn it. I can't wait till we put it on and see how it looks. But we got it. It's looking good. Hopefully we clear that big ass intake. Hold on, let me turn copyright down, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully we clear the big ass intake we got on there, you know what I mean? Oh bro, look. Did you buy those? Did you buy those? Custom painted, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, you been putting in work, my boy.
Back in that few days ago when I was supposed to be working on something else, I snuck over and put that on because I wasn't sure. I want to see the piece.
Yeah. Fully adjusted.
And they, even more than that, they adjust up and
Shout out to Austin Pro Max, you know what I'm saying? Getting us right. We might not do this for y'all. We really gotta be right. Don't forget, 35K miles on this motor. We ain't even never started it yet.
I should have got another one. Oh, yeah. You don't control the stock anymore?
I have never worked up.
Like on mine, I had to download the stock on the computer, put it on my laptop, just to save the file. And then also do, yeah, got file.
Hold on. You know, that's not why you look.
Want to go down? Stop. That was me. That was me.
Damn near almost everything we wanted to do today done. Now we finna go look at a bigger property because we need space because we got too many cars and it's going up. Just in case y'all ain't know, we in Washington. Don't worry about what part. Just P&W Finance. You feel me? Yeah, like that. That's what I am. We out here. Get that real horsepower, and we ain't talking about no cars. Yeah. Yes, sir. Your boy Self-Made Street Cars, you know what I'm saying? We checked out the crib. It was nice. We gotta see what we gotta do, man. We need that little bit more space so we can have some more cars, man, so we can get that content out for you know what I'm saying? But we'll see. We'll get more on that later, you know what I mean? But look, finna go get these Mustang rims that was on the Mustang, put some little used tires on that joint. I know new tires because we got new set of tires, new set of rims. We got that. We just want to put these used ones on there so because they not about to get the fuck up my shit. I'm fucking it up today, but we're gonna put that on there, get them right, get ready for the test drive. Hopefully in a few days that thing will be running on the streets, real beast on the streets, all motor. Just be on the lookout. And if you really want it, tap in with us, man. It might be yours. It could be yours. But you gotta tap in with us. We need them follow, like, subscribes, all that. So tap in. Self-Made Street Cars. Self-Made _ Street Cars. We got everything you need. Just check us out. Holla at us, man. and we'll be back with another video.